Welcome to my new video. आजको नयाँ भिडियोमा यहाँलाई स्वागत छ. Today we are going to talk about rule of law. No one is above the law. Rule of law means rule according to law or supremacy of law. It is opposed to arbitrary power or rule. It ensures the limited governmental power. सीमित सरकार र गुड गभर्नेन्सको कल्पना रूल अफ लले गरेको हुन्छ. द टर्म रूल अफ ल इज डिराइभ फ्रम फ्रेन्च फ्रेज ला प्रिन्सिपल डी लिगालिटी द्याट इज गभर्मेन्ट बेस्ड अन प्रिन्सिपल अफ ल. The development of Magna Carta in 1215 was the foundation of rule of law. बेलायतको यस दस्तावेजलाई विधिको शासनको आधार स्तम्भ मानिन्छ. एबी डाइसी propounds the theory of rule of law in his book The Law of Constitution. एबी डाइसीलाई कानुनको शासनको विधिको शासनको फादर मानिन्छ. डाइसी gives three meaning of rule of law: absence of arbitrary power, equality before law, predominance of legal spirits. The principle of rule of law: supremacy of law, independence of judiciary, judicial review, periodic and fair election, principle of natural justice, and speedy trial, etc. Rule of law in Nepal. Nepal has gone through a long struggle for rule of law, democracy, and freedom. In ancient time, Nepal was ruled by kings. There was no special and written laws at that time. They governed the country by religious books and by their own conscience. After passing various dynasties, the Ranas rules for 104 years in Nepal, and the monarchy came into the end after many movement and revolution, especially after People's Movement too. The rule of law was institutionalized by the present constitution made by the Constituent Assembly. Various norms of rule of law are incorporated in this constitution. For instance, supremacy of law, fundamental rights, independent judiciary, periodic election, principle of equality, judicial review, concept of rule of law, etc. Case related to rule of law: Marbury versus Medicine, principle of judicial review; Keshav Nanda Bharati versus State of Kerala. Parliament cannot amend the basic structure of the constitution. Meera Kumari Dhungana versus Minister of Law and Justice. Establish equality before law and equal protection of law. Thanks for watching.